Commissioner McGann, this is just a quick explanation of what we are and how we can help your county. My name is Daniel Clough. I am with Back to Life. We're going to explain a little bit of what the condition is that we're trying to address and what we are. If you look at, well, many of you have seen these pictures for the past season, the progression of drought in the past 3 years, and also assessing how much water is being used. Agriculture uses roughly 82% of our water, but as water that goes to municipal and industry, roughly 60 to 70% of our water is used on the outside. The concept, what we are trying to do is to do a two-part value. One, to effectively manage your water to where you can reduce the amount of water that you're using, and also trying to environmentally enhance your soil by forming soil. And we do this with a natural process. We're a company called Back to Life, and our logo kind of shows that we're reducing the human footprint on Earth and the resources that we consume. By properly putting the proper bacteria into your soil, we can actually make it to where you can reduce the water and also maximize the environmental impact of your lawn. We were trialed this year as a water conservation program in the region of Iron County. We had more than 132 lawns at the end of the year, but at one point we had just over 116 lawns that were saving roughly 1.18 million gallons of water in August alone. That was our peak value in our trial period. On average, we save about 2,000 gallons of water per customer per week once the soil is conditioned. The big picture is within a grow season, if we started in April, by the time we get to May, June, we could have 30 to 50% less water being used for lawns and keep them green and at the same time improve soil. As you say, a picture is worth 1,000 words. Here's an example of one of our clients. We're more than water conservation. When you put the proper soil biology back into the lawn, you actually just heal it. So we did not use any fertilizer in these pictures here. We use bacteria and the proper fungi. And this lawn, when we started with it, had many issues. It was actually being overwatered, not underwatered. It looks like that. And it was being depleted because of a very effective pathogenic fungus. And we call it summer spot. We were able to put in the right fungus and bacteria. And within 92 days, we reduced the water needs by 92%. This lawn right here was using 90% more water than this lawn right here. And we did this all with a natural product. We are working very hard on expanding our services into neighboring counties. And when we talked with Commissioner Grant, she was curious if we could present more about this. Our company right now is located in Cedar City, Utah. We're a homegrown company here. We create and distribute our own product. We have many people that work for us. And basically, that's who we are. I have additional information that I have sent with your commissioner to go through this, but I just wanted to give a brief introduction of what we are and what we'd intend to do. If we were able to come into a community, ideally in Washington County, for example, if I had 1,000 acres of property, I can create enough water for 14 to 26,000 residents after the first year, conservatively. And that's with the 30 to 50% water savings. We do so much from a natural process. If I could explain it simply, right now we are using an artificial process to give you a lawn. If I reinsert a natural process, I can make it to where you pollute your environment less, use less fertilizer, and actually have a biological enhancement called your lawn rather than a resource drain. I hope that was a good enough introduction. If there are any questions, please email me at daniel@backtolife.com. You can visit our information landing page right now at backtolife.weebly.com. We're in the process of getting a digital website up, but if there are any questions, please reach out to me. I'd be glad to answer any questions you may have.